Okay. Oh my god, I remember this. I need you to trust me when I say this, but this was one of the... This was probably one of the, if not the only survival world that me and my cousin play. So let's just quickly explore. Let's get the nitro. There might be stuff that I haven't explored. I don't know what that random block is, but the hell does it? Oh my god, there's more old generation. Remember in the old days of Minecraft when worlds used to be so small? Anyways, let's look in this pyramid. Oh god! Must have activated a trap when exploring it. Oopsies! Wait, what's this all about? What's this random... Oh god! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god, that was a random trap! Even now... Holy fuck! No way! No! Oh my god, that choked me! Oh my god, there's another one that was apparently set off. And for some reason it was diamond. What the hell is a dog house? There's only one dog there. What the hell? I know. Yeah, look at all this. The props though. Trying to get random 20s, dude. A failed attempt that made the cobblestone generator. Alright, what else is there? There has to be more. I'm 100% sure there's more. What the fuck is that? Oh! What the hello? What the? Okay, that was weird. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, what happened here? You know... Oh, what is that? How? No, there's no... Dude, I swear this was a survival... I swear, there's a random dog there. What is this? What happened to this pyramid? The trap's been activated here as well. Oh my god, there's apparently another temple that's also been explored. Apparently. Oh my god. Okay, let's look at the base. Mine stuff on top. Oh no! 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 No way! There's no fucking way! There's no way! How is mine stuck? Wait! No! 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 Oh, that's my real name. Okay, I guess that's an even sense or with it. Oh, I don't know what happened to the text, but But I'm assuming that's to little Einstein. But no, there's no fucking way. There's no way. What was this there? Oh my god. I can say it. I can finally say the line. I can say the line. I did the mining off camera. I did some mining off camera. And then on X. Okay, this has to be coordinates. I don't know. I feel like those have to be coordinates. And take all those to the finish. Okay, I think I know what that weird looking waypoint might be. But... Well, since it's apparently a quote unquote survival world, let's find a stronghold. What the fuck is the... No. There's no way we're on top. Wait, no, the eye's not showing. Oh, fuck this. What the fuck? Okay, well, not even cheating or mining off camera can help find us a stronghold. Fuck this. Let's do this. I don't know what to do with this, but... Oh my god, please! Why? This shouldn't be that hard. No. Oh, this is bad. What the fuck, dude? Oh! Wow, okay. Alright, here. Let's just do this. Alright. That's it. That's it. Yes! Yes, we're gonna finally beat my quote unquote legitimately on my PS3 save because it was supposed to do it. Yeah. Yeah, wait, I mean, no, wait, you were meant to, it's really, it's cross. Come on, not ready. Where the fuck is... Where the hell is it? Dude, torch, please. Alright, it's parked now. It has to be. Wow, rude. What the? Come on, dude! What the hell is this one pixel? There we go. Yeah, we totally beat Minecraft legitimately, just like how fast we would on a PS3 world. Yippee!